Hi everyone, I'm Alex Neo from the Lawn Hairdressing Singapore. Here I have is Jing. I'm going to give him a very soft tussle look, creating some texture and curls going on. So what I start with is shampoo with ADDVOLUME Shampoo. Okay, and now for my style, I'm going to use sea salt spray. I'm just going to use the Perfection Curl Club, just a little. So sort of loosen up the whole look. I'm just going to use my finishing product. I'm just going to let it fall naturally. Alright, I'm going to use Rusty Copper. I'm going to mess up the area to look a bit more soft. And last, I'm going to use the Firm Hairspray. Okay, I'm done. Hope you like my style. Thank you everyone.